Hi guys, are you someone who skips breakfast because you don't have time to make something before you leave the house and you're looking for a healthier alternative? Or do you find you crave chocolate in the middle of the day and you're looking for a healthier, chocolatey alternative? You're gonna wanna watch this video because I'm bringing you my favorite vegan banana chocolate chip muffin recipe that's super high in protein and will keep you full if you have it for breakfast and really kill that chocolate craving in the middle of the afternoon. Trust me, I love a baked good as much as the next person, but why reach for the ones at the coffee shop that are loaded with sugar and all kinds of calories that we don't need to reach our fitness goals when you can make some healthier alternatives super easy at home? I'm gonna show you how easy it is to quickly whip up a batch of these muffins, have them on hand for the whole family to enjoy throughout the week. And just quickly guys, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified because I'm releasing new videos every Tuesday, bringing you more healthy recipes, great workouts, fit mom tips, fat loss advice, all kinds of fun stuff to help you on your fitness and fat loss journey. All right, guys, so let's get right into it. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know if you made these muffins. How did you like them? Did you add any other ingredients? What are your favorite way to make these muffins? And of course, if you want to see any other recipes from me, let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you guys out. I'll also leave a link in the description to my favorite protein powder that I'm going to use right here. It's the one that I found that is my favorite vegan protein powder. So again, check the links in the description if you're looking for a good, clean vegan protein. Okay guys, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to whip up these muffins. Minimal ingredients, minimal mess, high protein, and healthy. What more can you ask for? I'll leave the link in the description for the specific macronutrients for each of these protein muffins. And if you're looking for learning how to calculate your macronutrients and calorie intake to really reach your fitness and fat loss goals, I've created a 7-page free guide to help you out with that. I'll leave the link in the description, so make sure you download that. It's really gonna help. No starvation, no diets, just healthy, clean eating the right way. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoy these muffins as much as me and my family do. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. And again, if you're not yet a subscriber, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to be notified, and check out some of my other videos if you're looking for some more workouts, recipes, fat loss tips, and I'll see you guys in the next one.